Hey there, SnapFlash fam. Welcome back. Botswana and Lesotho are pushing ahead with one of Southern Africa's most ambitious water infrastructure projects. But questions are already being raised about environmental impacts, regional concerns, and what the project could mean for neighboring countries such as Namibia. Speaking during the recent Botswana-Lesotho Bi-National Commission, President Duma Boko addressed those concerns directly, while outlining a broader vision of regional cooperation. Could the Botswana-Lesotho Water Transfer Project become a model for regional development? Or will concerns over shared water resources create new challenges along the way? Let's break it down. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to SnapFlash, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest developments shaping Botswana and Southern Africa. Responding to questions about potential concerns from Namibia, President Duma Boko emphasized that international law provides clear principles for managing shared water resources. According to Boko, the project is being guided by established international regulations governing shared water courses and the interests of all affected countries. He explained that the proposed project is currently undergoing a comprehensive feasibility study, including an extensive environmental impact assessment.
Thank you very much. In relation to the water project and any concerns that may have been raised by Namibia, there are a number of obvious guiding principles. Some of them derive from public international law, which regulates what are called shared water courses. The principles enunciated under international law govern any interests relating to any country that has some part to play in a shared water course or in shared water courses. That's the first consideration. The second is that this project is undergoing a thorough feasibility that also involves an environmental impact assessment. One of the reasons it has taken this long and will take a few more months yet to commence. And this, the Prime Minister and I raised with ORASECOM when we engaged, we met with them in Lesotho, is that they have over the whole stretch to do an environmental assessment, a thorough one. And when urged to speed it up, they indicated that it could not be fast-tracked because they have to observe it over the different seasons in order to map out accurately what the environmental impact and implications will be. And so it is from all those that any issues then raised by any interested party, Namibia or any other for that matter, would then be given consideration. But there is no dearth, there is no shortage of governing, regulating principles in relation to matters of this nature. So any concerns will be sufficiently discussed and resolved.
President Boko also stressed that any concerns raised by Namibia or other interested parties would be properly considered through established regional and international frameworks. Lesotho Prime Minister Samuel Madikane echoed that position, noting that Namibia is a member of ORASECOM and will have opportunities to express its views as consultations continue.
As we are aware that Namibia is a member of ORASECOM. And as we have said, further consultations shall be taken and Namibia will have an opportunity to voice its position.
The leaders signaled confidence that any issues arising from the project can be resolved through dialogue and existing legal mechanisms. The discussions extended beyond water security. President Boko highlighted the long history of professional cooperation between Botswana and Lesotho, pointing to examples of highly skilled Lesotho professionals serving in Botswana. Boko said such exchanges demonstrate the strong ties that already exist between the two countries. The president said Botswana intends to deepen cooperation in areas where either country possesses valuable expertise. Where Lesotho has highly skilled professionals, Botswana will welcome those skills. Likewise, Botswana will continue exporting expertise to Lesotho in sectors where it has strengths. The goal, according to Boko, is not only to benefit the two nations, but also to contribute to wider regional development across Southern Africa.
The exchange of skilled resources that has taken place, if you remember, and incidentally, there was a matter involving rights of access to water that came before the High Court of the Republic of Botswana and ended up at the Court of Appeal. And it was the matter of Matsipane Mosetlanyane and others against the Attorney General of the Republic of Botswana, CKGR spin-off. And the judge who wrote the judgment in that case was one Ramudi Bedi, a citizen of Lesotho. So we've exchanged these resources even at the highest levels, and they don't come any higher than a judge of the Court of Appeal. So the precedent is there. There will be many sequels, and they are most welcome. Where Lesotho has the best skills and Botswana is in need of those skills will be utilized. And likewise, Botswana will also export skills, and has done so actually even now, to Lesotho. So this is an ongoing exchange process, and we will strengthen it, we will deepen it, we will broaden it, and we will ensure that it brings the best outcomes and results, not just for the two countries, but for the sub-region and indeed the continent.
Prime Minister Madikane also highlighted the historical educational relationship between the two countries. He recalled the former University of Botswana, Lesotho, and Swaziland, which once symbolized regional cooperation in higher education. According to Madikane, the Bi-National Commission aims to revive that spirit through expanded cooperation in education, professional training, and skills development.
On education, Botswana and Lesotho have a long history of Buleswa, which was the University of Botswana, Lesotho and Swaziland. This BNC is meant to rekindle that spirit, even beyond tertiary education to professional level, including skills exchange. That's exactly what is going to happen.
Do you think the Botswana-Lesotho Water Transfer Project will strengthen regional cooperation, or should neighboring countries have a bigger role in shaping the project from the start? Let us know in the comments section below. If you're enjoying this analysis, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates on Botswana, Southern Africa, and major regional developments. For now, Botswana and Lesotho appear determined to move forward together. While environmental studies and regional consultations continue, both governments are presenting the project as more than just a water initiative. They see it as part of a broader partnership focused on infrastructure, education, skills exchange, and long-term regional integration. Whether the project ultimately becomes a landmark success will depend on balancing development goals with environmental responsibility and regional cooperation. Thanks for watching SnapFlash. We'll keep following this story and bring you the latest updates as they happen.